we calculate cluster point? Let's start now. First of all, we have a formula. Today I would like to teach you how to calculate Kuccps cluster points. Thank you for considering to watch my videos and welcome again to this new video. If today is your first day to watch my videos, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for subscribing. I am your presenter scientist, Ranira Cheruton Josephat, and I graduate scientist in Egerton University. In today's video, we will learn how to calculate Kuccps cluster point 2023. Before searching this video, I know you want these questions in your mind. That is, do you know your cluster point? Yes or no? Are your cluster point important in course application? Yes or no? Which course best fit my cluster point? As you might be aware, you must meet the minimum Kuccps cluster point for your dream course to stand a chance to get selected in courses. So how do we calculate cluster point? Let's start now. First of all, we have a formula which is C is equal to bracket, open bracket, square root, small r over capital R multiplied by small t over t, close bracket, then multiplied by 48. Therefore, this constant stands for where C is the cluster point, R is the sum of the four cluster subjects. In the course of this lesson, I will explain what is the meaning of cluster subject. Then we have R, capital R, that is 48, and we have small t, your grade, and we have capital T, that is 84. Why is R, that is capital R, 48, and the capital T, 84? A clean A plane is equivalent to 12 points. Therefore, if someone scores all the four cluster subjects, clean A's will totally be 48 points. The same case with the T, that is, T capital is equivalent to 84 points. In simple terms, this is what I mean. If someone scores four subjects, each subject A clean, therefore 4 multiplied by 12 is equivalent to 48 points. And if someone scores clean A's in the 7th subject is equivalent to 84 points. For example, a student scored the following grades per subject. As you can see, English B-, Kiswahili C+, Mathematics C+, Chemistry B+, Biology B, Agriculture C+, Geography A-, History A plane. Therefore, the meaning grade of this student is B plane of 64 points. Therefore, let's say the student above wish to apply either Bachelor of Education Art or Bachelor of Education Science. Even the other courses, the formula will apply and the formula will remain constant. It will be the same. Therefore, the formula, as we stated earlier, is C is equal to square root of R over R small over R capital times T small over T capital multiplied by 48. Therefore, the first thing to consider is the cluster subject. We have said that the small r, this R, stands for the four cluster subjects. Which are these four cluster subjects? As you visit your Kuccps portal, you will see, for example, Bachelor of Education Art and Education Science is in Cluster 19, Education and Related Courses. Here in Cluster 19, we have Bachelor of Education Art. Bachelor of Education Art here, under Bachelor of Education Art, we have minimum entry requirement. Cluster Subject 1, Cluster Subject 2, Cluster Subject 3, and Cluster Subject 4. Therefore, under Cluster Subject 1, we have English. Cluster Subject 2, we have Maths and Sciences. Cluster Subject 3, we have Sciences and Humanities. And Cluster Subject 4, we have all subjects there. Therefore, to calculate cluster subject for these 4 combination. For example, here, the cluster subject English is a must, and in cluster subject 2, maths or either one of the sciences which you performed very well should be included. If you will include the same science in cluster subject 3, therefore cluster subject 2 maths remains to be applied there, and therefore under cluster subject 4 you can apply any other subject which you performed better. Therefore, let's go back to our calculation. Here, now we have cluster subject 1, cluster subject 2, cluster subject 3, and cluster subject 4. If you scored clean A in English, that is 12 points. Clean A in mathematics, that is 12 points. Clean A in sciences, and clean A in any of the other subject remaining, and the subject is not supposed to be repeated twice. Therefore, you will have a cumulative of 48 points in the 4 cluster subjects. In our case here, for our student here, English is B minus, therefore mathematics is C plus, biology B plus, and history A. Therefore, in cluster subject A, English is compulsory, therefore 80 points should be included. In cluster subject 2, it is either mathematics or science. Therefore, here we add mathematics, that is C plus, that is 7 points. In cluster subject 3, because in cluster subject 2, I haven't added science, therefore I will add science in cluster subject 3. And I have decided to add biology, that is B plus of 10 points. In cluster number 4, we have history, that is A plane of 12 points. Therefore, in cluster subject 4, I have decided to add a humanity, which is high. Since I couldn't add a science, I added mathematics, and also I added English. If therefore, let us continue. Therefore, if you want the 8 point in English, mathematics 7 point, biology 10 point, and history 12 point, you will have R, that is total cluster subject, as equal to 37 point. R is the total cluster subject. It is out of 48, that is 12 multiplied by 4, that is 48. And T is the mean grade point of the student. Is going to be plane of 64 point, as I stated earlier. Mean grade B plane of 64 point. Therefore, small t is 64 point, and the capital T is 84 point. If we scored all subject A clean, we could have 7 multiplied by 12, that is 84. So it is out of 84. Therefore, let us use our formula. That is C, that is cluster point, is square root bracket 37, that is cluster subject of the student all over the total, that is 48, multiplied by 64, that is the point of the student all over the total. Then close the bracket, multiplied by 48. The 48 we are using to multiply is the same 48 of the total cluster point. Therefore, if you say that 7 all over 48 multiplied by 64, first of all, we are working with the bracket. To remove the bracket is that 7 over 48 multiplied by 64 all over 84, as you can see here. Therefore, if you say that 7 over 48 multiplied by 64 all over 84 is equivalent to 0.5873 multiplied by 48. Therefore, the square root of 0.5873 multiplied by 48 is equivalent to that 6.785 cluster point. So that is how we calculate cluster point simply. If you have any question on how to calculate cluster point, ask your question in the comments section. But first, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.